He could live here and just stare at us in our videos. It was a love story for the Lush ages. Charlie and the Tramp. Tiptoe through the true. Hi guys, so for today's video I have my March kitchen unboxing. I get so confused with the words, it's March, isn't it? Yeah, March kitchen unboxing. I have my parcel here. I did get the bath one this month, and then next month I'm so excited. I've got the XL box coming, so that is going to be a really fun video. And I think I might just stick with them from now on. A little bit more pricey, but I figured I always end up hunting for the opposite products out of the opposite box anyway. And usually I find them on Vinted, so I probably end up paying like £10 plus for one product. So I may as well just pay £14 more and get them both, you know? Just makes fiscal sense. Fiscal, is that the right word? I don't know. It just makes sense, really. You'll have to excuse me, I'm ill. I swear I do so many videos where I'm like, I'm ill. But honestly, when you have a kid, it's just unruly. You just get ill so much. Like, we went swimming on Sunday with my sister and my nephew, and we've come back. I've got the flu. Him and Barry have got something completely different. He had sickness Wednesday evening. He was sick like 3 times, and then had a fever the next day, and then he's had explosive he's had explosive diarrhea since, like horrendous. The other day I was changing his nappy and it just right at me. Haven't had that since he was little. But yeah, and Barry is the same, and I'm like, how have I got something different to them? Like, how germy was that pool? I don't usually do swimming pools, but we ended up going, and now I'm just like, ugh. He hated it as well. He cried the whole way through. But I feel like we have to keep going back. But I'm just like, we're going to get ill every time we go there. But, oh, God knows. Anyway, what I was going to say was I lost my smell today. And I was gutted because this came. And I was like, I cannot sit down at night and have that box looking at me in the face. And I can't unbox it because I can't smell it. So I remembered that Barry has some Sinex. So I used some of that. Like, a bit gross maybe, but we've shared other things. So I'm sure a Sinex will be fine. So I blew my nose real good, used some of that, and then tonight I've sprayed some stuff and sniffed some things, and I think we're good to go. I think it's back, baby. Let's just double check. Let's smell this. We're back, baby. Let's smell the froggy friend. It's good, baby. It's good. Why do I keep calling you baby? Sorry. So this month's box was a very sort of grassy affair, a very leafy, woodsy affair, I think. So I'm nervous to try this, but I've seen a lot of people post their unboxings today on Instagram. And a lot of people are saying it's very good. So fingers crossed. New cartridge on top. Info of the products on there. Oh, it's a box in a box, isn't it? Of course, I saw Rachel's unboxing on TikTok, and it's a box in a box. So if we whip these nuts off, you can see there's another box in there. Let me get rid of these and then we'll get it out. Oh, I love this. Oh, isn't that lovely? So it's one of the little slide-out boxes. This smells good. It's got a lovely kitchen pattern on the front with a lovely tulip or a daffodil. Is that a daffodil? Oh, I love it. I love spring. Spring is just so lovely, isn't it? My little bubble grub has lost his eyes, I can see. So let's fish him out and find his eyeballs. Oh my gosh, that's so cute though. I've got an eye. I've got a bubble grub. I think these are stuck on with some sort of like buttercream type stuff. So I'm just going to stick them back on. Oh. Oh. I think it's like some sort of shea cocoa mix or something. Oh my goodness. Oh, he's meant to have a nose. Is he meant to have a nose? Or is that just meant to be a hole? Maybe it's meant to be a hole. Oh goodness. This guy's too cute. So he's essentially like a bubble-roon, I would have thought. He's got some creaminess in the middle. And then he's got these little eyes here, which I think they're just like some sort of candy eyeball. I don't know if they actually do anything. And then we've got some little vanilla pods as his little ears. Oh, I don't want to use it. This is creme anglaise scented, I believe. That's not quite how I remember creme anglaise smelling in, it was released for the Bridgerton collab, wasn't it? Hand cream or body cream, was it? That was the same scent, wasn't it? Doesn't quite smell the same. This is a more like, maybe it is the same. Vanilla-y floral. Nice though. I don't know what to do with him. I just want to keep him. Like, he could live here and just stare at us in our videos. Should we keep him there? I'm gonna keep him there. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna smell the next product that I was absolutely hyped for this box, which is why I wanted this box. So I can just confirm that my nostrils are working correctly, just so I know that I've smelt that right. So the next thing that I'm just, so excited for is the Tramp body scrub. Gorgeous. In a nice green pot. This is giving Shrek slime pot vibes, which I love. I love that packaging. So the front of this one says an earthy blend of dark summer tramp patchouli oil, oak moss and exfoliating sea salt leaves you soft and smelling like a wonderland nymph. Oh wow, look at that. Oh, that looks really good. My nostrils are working, and that's just, oh my god, I'm so happy I've got this. Tramp to me is like really one of my all-time favourite scents, and if you watch my videos a lot you'll probably think, god, I wouldn't have thought that would be one of your favourite scents, Charlie, but it really is. It gives me such a warm fuzzy feeling inside. It's so nostalgic to me. I remember getting it the first time. I wouldn't have picked it. It was me and my mum I have so many memories of me and my mum in Lush, honestly. She was just so wonderful. She used to treat me so much because she knew I loved Lush so much. We weren't rich or nothing. She was just a really great mum. What was I saying? Yes, they used to do a lot of offers back in the day at Lush. Like, I remember one time they did spend £25 and you get a free gift set, and I went on my birthday one time, spent 100, and I got like loads of gift sets. And sometimes they would just chuck in extras, like if you spent a certain amount. And one time they chucked in a huge bottle of Tramp, and I'd never used it before, and I looked at it, and I wasn't going to be ungrateful, obviously, but I looked at it in the shop and I was like, oh, I don't think I'm going to like that. But then when I took it home, I fell in love. It was a love story for the Lush ages. Charlie and the Tramp. Why is that so funny? That I'm gonna have to really cherish that with my life, I think. I adore it. Are you guys hyped for this one? I'm so happy with that. At least my nostrils are still working as well, so let's get this box done before my smell disappears again. Let's do the soap next. So it looks like this. Very sort of pretty soap. I think this one is, yeah, it's called Tiptoe Through the Tulips. I saw someone on Instagram earlier post this soap, and then they played that Tiptoe Through the Tulips song along with it, obviously because it's the same song, same name. So I can't stop relating this soap to that song now. So cute. Let's have a look at some of the ingredients of this one. Got sweet violet leaf infusion, rapeseed oil, coconut oil, so geranium, lavender, rose and gardenia predominantly. I don't hate it. It's not like really overwhelmingly floral. It's like a light leafy green with a hint of floral, but it's really quite nice. Refreshing, very fresh, very spring morning. I like that a lot. Very cute. I can feel how moisturising it is as well, which is wonderful. Pleasantly surprised by that one. Nice chunker as well. Wonderful. What should we do now? Bath bomb or shower gel? Let's do the shower gel. I'm most nervous for this one, like really nervous. I really, really want to love it. So it says, refreshing geranium and precious orange blooms like the village green, lush, lovely and full of flowers. Looks like that. So the colour of it is green. It's like that luminescent sort of green, like a, I think, was Demon in the Dark, that sort of colour? let's pop a little bit on my hand. But I like that off the bat, I do, I like that. Lovely green colour. Slimy looking. Ooh, I feel like I've smelt it before. Has this been in anything else? I think this is quite a retro old scent, isn't it? So ingredients wise, you've got fresh parsley, geranium oil, jasmine absolute, orris oil, Western sandalwood. It is just really fresh, and it is like walking into a meadow of flowers, but not disgusting. You guys know me with flowers, like I don't like powdery old lady rosy scents. They just are not for me. I do like a big bouquet of like fresh flowers, you know, and that's really like it, but with a grassy element as well. I like that a lot. This is gonna be a month where I keep everything. I think I'm gonna keep that shower gel. With shower gels, I'm usually really thorough and I'm like, wow, I'm not in love with it, so I'm not gonna keep it. I'm not in love with it, but I'm very close. So I think I'll keep it. But I think I might get rid of the soap. I do like the soap, but I have about 10 jillion soaps to use and I don't want to keep overstocking. That's wonderful. Tiptoe through the tulips. Can't get that out of my head now. Lastly, which I'm very excited about because I found something out about this which I didn't realise, but it sounds blooming awesome. We've got the bath bomb. Oh, love that. Lush Kitchen. So fun. It's the extra little touches, isn't it? I just love it. Let's do the ingredients on this one and then we'll give it a sniff. So this is called Tea and Sympathy Bath Bomb. So you've got in there calamine powder, chamomile blue oil, olibanum, clary sage. And yeah, there's a tea bag in this. What? I'm so excited. I'm so relieved. I literally thought I was going to hate everything in this box. Really fresh. This is extremely leafy, like really pungently leafy, but I like it. I suppose it is giving like earthy, leafy tea bag vibes, isn't it? That's probably what the aim of the game is with it. But I'm so excited to try this out and see the tea bag come out. Somebody, I think it was Rachel on her video that she posted on TikTok, said that it looks a little like an unusual shape, not like a full bath bomb, you know? It sort of looks like there's a bit in the middle missing, and I do agree. Perhaps it was hard for them to get the tea bag to stay in maybe or something, and they had to slightly change the shape. Not too sure on that one, but I think this might be the first thing I try out because it's got a tea bag in it. So excited. Very pungent, very, very strong, but beautiful nonetheless. I'm so happy with that box. That really makes up for last month's box. See how weird is that? This is what I mean about the kitchen boxes. You have to give them a go. Last month, I thought that would be my favourite box of all time. Didn't care for it. This one, I thought I'd hate absolutely everything. Love it all. See what I mean? Can I help you? Yeah. You can say hi if you want. No, I'm only be 2 minutes. Why? That's all right. I'll come see you in a sec. Love you. Yeah, so this will be the first one I try out, I think. Let me know what you guys think of this box. What is your favourite out of it? I don't have a least favourite particularly, but like I said, I'm probably going to not keep the soap because, like I said, I've got loads of soaps knocking around and I don't need to be hoarding them. Where's the other thing? Oh, I put it there, didn't I? See, I remember creme anglaise smelling more creamy. It's almost like this side is more creamy and this side is more florally grassy. Actually, I'm lying. I think this is my least favourite scent-wise, but cuteness-wise, this is number one. But I like it all, I really do. Fantastic. Yes, let me know what your guys' favourite in that box was. I feel like that's going to be a firm favourite box. I honestly do. I'm really happy with all of that. Like I said, let me know your guys' faves. I love knowing what you guys love or don't love out of the box, you know. We like all opinions around here. And I hope you guys are great, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.